Hello, and welcome to Nutritious and Delicious Kids. My name's Ariana. And I'm her brother Gabriel. And today we're going to be making lettuce cups.
Okay, so today we're going to show you some really simple ways to put some healthy food on the table, and it's fun because it's kind of finger foody as well. We don't have a really great example of a lettuce today, but this is just something we love to throw together. So at the moment, I am just dry roasting in a pan. So it's just dry toasting some sunflower seeds. So just sunflower seeds in the bottom. And these pans, by the way, I've got the Solid Techniques. They're cast steel. So if you're looking for something that's healthy, because non-stick is not, and cast iron's not bad, but it's really heavy. So the cast steel is actually easier to work with, and new technology. It's really good, really good. So, so we're just slightly toasting some sunflower seeds, and into your, this is where you can get creative. So into your little cup of lettuce, this is your little piece of
bowl.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing is, you know, gluten-free, dairy-free, everything free. So you can really get creative with using this. Like, I love this because I don't really eat bread or anything, so I can get really creative with putting my salad, making it like a little taco. Another one we love to make is spiced chickpeas. So I'll explain some of those. But to begin, so here's one the kids love is to toasted sunflower seeds and just a bit of goat's feta. And they'll roll that up and eat that in a little roll, and that's really delicious. Another one I love is to do the toasted sunflower seeds with some chopped tomato and a bit of vegan mayonnaise or guacamole. So guacamole is super easy. Mashed avocado with a bit of lemon juice and salt. In case that's our recipe for guacamole. I don't know what yours is, but ours is very simple. And as I said, another one we love to do is spiced chickpeas with guacamole. And all you need to do for that is drain a tin of chickpeas, pop it into a bowl with your favorite spices. So we love cumin and turmeric. And what else? Paprika.
Yeah, I put a bit
of cinnamon. Actually, goes really well on chickpeas.
And salt. Tiny bit of chili.
Oh yeah, my kids love a bit of chili. So you can put that in your bowl with a little drizzle of olive oil. Just stir that through, and put it on some baking paper in the oven for about 20-25 minutes on about 170, 180 degrees. And it just crisps the chickpeas a little bit, makes them nice and toasty. You put them into your cup with some guacamole and Bob's your uncle. It's an absolutely delicious, simple dinner. The other thing you can do if you really want to is with your chickpeas. You can actually put those into a bowl first with a bit of salt and tamari, or we use coconut aminos.
Oh, no, the chickpeas are sunflower seeds.
Sorry, didn't I say
Yeah, we said
the
chickpeas.
toasted, these things, toasted sunflower seeds. That's what I meant. Put those in a bowl with some coconut aminos and salt or tamari, because tamari is quite salty, so you don't need the salt if you're using tamari, whereas coconut aminos isn't, so we add the salt. And mix that through, and that makes really delicious snack any time of day. But also you can pop that into your lettuce cup with your tomato and goat's feta or whatever it is you like. That's our very simple paleo healthy raw vegan. No, it's not raw because I'm just toasting sunflower seeds, but it's super healthy and got some delicious good fats in there from the sunflower seeds, and
yummy.
the kids approve. So we just thought we'd share. That's a really, really simple recipe, but super easy and super healthy. So let us know what let us know what combinations you come up with that your family enjoy, and tune in next time. Next time we're going to do avocado. I was going to say chocolate avocado mousse, but technically it's not chocolate. We do carob avocado mousse. So we'll bring that next time. All right. So hey, get easy.